This dashcam records in 1080p Full HD and includes a front, left, and right lens, with an optional rear camera for complete surveillance. Its ultra-wide 170-degree lens ensures a broad field of view, capturing critical details while driving. The 3-inch LCD screen provides a clear display, and the left and right lenses can be adjusted independently for optimal coverage of both the front and cabin areas. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, this dashcam allows users to view recorded videos and images in real time through a mobile app. This feature makes it easy to access footage without removing the memory card. Additionally, night vision capabilities, powered by an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, ensure that recordings remain clear even in complete darkness. Advanced night vision sensors enhance image quality, providing reliable performance for nighttime driving and continuous 24-hour monitoring while parked. The dashcam includes loop recording, which automatically overwrites old footage when the memory card is full. This ensures uninterrupted recording without manual intervention. Additionally, the G-sensor detects sudden collisions and locks crucial footage to prevent it from being deleted. This function is essential for preserving evidence in case of an accident. The parking monitoring feature further enhances security by detecting motion and recording any suspicious activity around the vehicle, even when unattended. Supporting memory cards up to 64 gigabytes. This device operates efficiently with a USB 2.0 power interface and a built-in 150 mAh battery. It is designed to withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, making it a reliable companion in various climates. With multilingual support, including English, Chinese, French, and more, it caters to a wide audience. This dashcam is a smart investment for drivers who prioritize safety, security, and high-quality recording capabilities.